Before nje ngize ngikhuluma kakhulu ngicela ukuxolisa. My sinuses are worse today and my eyes are swollen, and on top of that I've got period pains. Ngiyaxolisa ukwenza such a poor quality video. It's just that I've been meaning to do this video for a while now and I've been so extremely busy. Kodwa nonetheless, it's a story time, a very short one. Igama nguZandi Sibongo Ngumfeka. If you are the first time usibona this video for the first time, welcome. La ekhaya sikhuluma iy'tori zakhaya ezikhulisayo ezenza ukuthi impilo uyibuke ngelinye iliso, kanti-ke ungakhohlwa ukuthi-ke senza a different number of stories ezikhuluma kabanzi ngempilo. Guys, I have been following i-story sobulawa ngesihluku kabuhlungu salengane ebizwa ngoZakithi Ndaba. uZakithi Ndaba is a co-owner yenkampani eyenza ama-sauce ebizwa ngokuthi Intombi Zakithi Sauces. Udadewabo is based la eThekwini kodwa bona originally abaseMnambithi. Lo mntwana-ke make sichaza usisi wakhe istory uthi wahlangana nalo boyfriend wakhe-ke ayo bajola up to a point whereby beze bezalisana. Before bezalisana udadewabo lo ongasekho manje uZakithi okay, ake ngithi during i-COVID. So during i-COVID siyazi ukuthi sonke ngesikhathi se-COVID abaningi bethu base-survive nje ngokupheka isikhathi esiningi. So apparently bebekuthanda ukupheka nodadewabo up to a point whereby they decided to start a company eyenza ama-sauce. So igama laleyo nkampani leyo Intombi Zakithi Sauces. Please go on TikTok bakhona.
Left her to die.
They also have a website, intombizakithi.co.za, I think. Yeah. Le nkampani yenza ama-sauces. Le nkampani le uyiqale uNokubonga nodadewabo uZakithi ongasekho nokuyena o-unalive ilo mhlola walomfana. Lo mhlola walomfana lo uthe uNokubonga mangabe ethi justice for uZakithi kwavela inqwaba. Guys, yo, I have never seen so many comments ekhuluma ngomuntu oyi-one. Kwavela inqwaba yama-comments ethi ngiyamazi lo mfana lo wafike wanukubeza umngani wami phambi kwabangani bakhe, yimina engafike ngangenelela ngenza ukuthi athi omunye ngiyamazi lo wayejola nengane yasekhaya wayihlukumeza, athi omunye hayibo guys. And kuthiwa lo mfana lo is from a very influential family emi kahle enemali. Uma wakhona kuthiwa uyinto enkulu ka-Department of Health. Njalo lo mntana menza lezi zinto enza le mikhuba ezinganeni uyahamba lo mama or ifamily yakhe intshontsha ama-dockets, aduka ama-dockets kangangokuthi mhlazane ezobulala udadewabo kaNokubongwa lo osengasekho uZakithi, kuthiwa wamngenela endlini laba behlala khona kwane-argument wamqhushqhusha wamdubula ngemkhono wekati waphela kanjalo. Uthe makaqeda lapho wantshontsha imoto yale ntombazane ayidubulile. Makaqeda ukuyintshontsha imoto yale ntombazane ayidubulile wabaleka. Kuthiwa makayibulala wayeseGoli, wayintshontsha imoto wayebaleka weza kaMashu wafike wacasha ebanganini bakhe. Nabo abangani bakhe nabo bayamvuna bayamcashisa. Cabanga, siphila emhlabeni onjani? Siphila emhlabeni onjani? Guys, if you are going to have friends abakuvunayo ukubola kwakho, ube nomzali ovuna ukubola kwakho to a point ukuthi aze antshontshe ama-dockets, and namanje kuthiwa maningi ama-dockets amacala bemvulela izingane azinokubezayo nabazali kuningi nje, kodwa ngoba abazali bakhe banemali kusho ukuthi bayakhokha. Siyazi ukuthi i-justice system yase-South Africa ivuna abantu abanemali vele, bafike bakhokhe lapha kulahleka izinto icala lingabi khona. Kule kaZakithi uboshwe ngoba ama-security endaweni la kade kuhlala khona uZakithi aconfirma ukuthi ambone ephuma ngemoto kaZakithi, and he was the last person to be seen engena endlini kaZakithi. Nomakhelwane bawuza umsindo womkhono wekati usho lapha uzamla, and then he was the last person to be seen wabaleka nemoto. Kuthiwa athi mefika kaMashu wafike wazama ukuthemparisha with yini lento i-tracker. Abantu be-tracker company babona ukuthi hayibo khona into eyenzakalayo la. Ngithi bayabona kwi-system khona uzama ukuthemparisha and tracker. Bathi mebemfonela untombazane bamfonela Hhayi ifoni akayibambe. Mayamfonela ifoni akayibamba. Ngithi uClever lo kuthiwa wathi mengabe efika ezoyombulala wafike washiya ifoni eyiplug e-charge-ini kwenzela ukuthi ingaringi izicima ingene ku-voicemail ukuze abe nesikhathi esi-enough ukuthi abaleka ngithi wayebaleka nesuku eGoli e-KZN wayethenga isikhathi ukuthi whenever befona ifoni iringi angayibambi and kuthiwa bebeloke bemfonela abantu bakubo noma wakhe-ke kwaze kwacaca ukuthi hhayi khona into e-wrong ngoba kuthiwa bengesiyena umuntu othi uma ngabe umfonelile angaliphenduli ucingo or uma ngabe eyibonile i-miss call yakhe angabuyeli kuwena. Kwaze wasolakala-ke after a day or two ukuthi hhayi ngeke lo mntana kade efonela akatholwa ndawo. La ku-worse khona ukuthi wathi uma ngabe i-tracker company isimfonele engamtholi yafonela u-next of kin uma wakhe kanti naye kade mfuna yilabona khona uma ukuthi hhayi no vele bekaloku esola khona into e-off vele-ke manje wasevele eba neshow khona into e-off ngempela. And uNokubonga nkosi yami laphayana uyasho ukuthi nje uyacela i-support justice for uZakithi because kuyimanje lo mfana kuthiwa out on bail because kwaqasha abameli bakhishwela izizumbulu zezimali ezishisiwe kwaqanjwa amanga kwathiwa lo mfana uyi-first offender akazabe necala kwathi kodwa khona ama-cases abeloku enyamalala leyo nto ayisaconsiderishwanga umthetho wase-South Africa. Okuwesi-ke guys kunako konke sihleze siyikhuluma-ke le nto la kule platform. Okuwesi kunako konke okuwesi kunako konke guys ukuthi lo mfana njengoba ngikhuluma nani nje une-profile ku-Tinder e-active. A very very active profile on Tinder. Usigebengu lo. Kusho ukuthi is out manje looking for ama-victims akhe amasha. Yo, kwaze kwanzima guys. Yo, yazini kwaze kwanzima. Kwaze kwanzima uNokubonga utheke manje into ayishilo ukuthi uzoprinta ama-posters. If you are in and around Durban or you are in Joburg and you are willing to be part of this movement ka-Justice for uZakithi, ngizokwenza i-plan. I'm working on getting hold of uNokubonga ngikhulume naye or ngibe naye kwi-episode azosichazela ukuthi ama-post uzowa-distribute kanjani or asisherele if you are willing ukuthi uyiprint uyiplug ngakini. Ake senzeni something. Yo, it's high time we do something. Kade sibuka izingane ezinhle ezinekusasa eliqhakazile zifa kabuhlungu in the hands of men. It's high time guys we do something. All I am saying is that justice for Zakithi, enough is enough. Kade zifa izingane zabantu. Yo, hayi. Yeah, ngicela nenze njalo-ke izingane zakwethu sisupportane. Uwabuke wonke ama-adverts, u-like, u-subscribe, u-comment. Angeke ngisho okuningi kodwa nje ngithi nje nami today ngithi justice for Zakithi. Lo muntu ushiya ingane encane. How do you unalive uma wengane yakho a person who's taking care of ithumbu lakho, igazi lakho? Oh, yazini. Hey. Hi, bye-bye guys.
This is my sister. I am trying to part of where our name comes from. This is my sister. I don't know. But again, I need your help. I need your help. My sister, Zakithi Ndaba, she's the Zakithi in Ntombi Zakithi. She's the Zakithi. She was horribly, brutally killed by the father of her child, Avio Posa. He shot her, did horrible things before that. He shot her. He left her to die, took her car, because they lived in Joburg. She lived in Joburg, took her car, drove down to Durban, tried to take out the tracker from the car, but luckily, we found out. I'm lost in life right now because I lost a part of me that I don't know if it would ever be filled again. So she can perfect her palette. This was our first video we made in 2020 during the lockdown because we wanted to make sure that our sauces are perfect and delicious and elegant. This is what our sauces used to look like back then when we started, and because of growth, your love and support, this is where we are. And guys, we cannot thank you enough.